speeding, you ran stop signs. I'm scared to death, Lucy. I'm never riding with you again, never. I'm so scared.
Evening, ladies. I'm Deputy Fife, and I'm gonna need to see your license, insurance, and registration. I clocked you doing 90 miles an hour through this here parking lot, and now you're parked in a reserved area. I feel obligated to tell you that Bellevue Baptist Church is showing the Long Long trailer, and this area is reserved for cast and crew only. So you better tell me.
I tell you what, I told you we're going too fast, and we are not moving this vehicle.
Listen, Sheriff Feek.
It's Deputy Fife.
Okay. We really do need to park in this spot. What my friend means is we are part of the cast of the Long Long trailer.
Now wait just a minute. I am a highly decorated officer of the law, now assigned to the Bellevue Special Task Force, or BSTF, and my friend Ange, that's Andy Willis, but he lets me call him Ange. Ange told me to guard and monitor this here parking lot, and that's what I intend to do. So you had better show me some ID right now, or else
Just relax, Wyatt Earp. We appreciate your position, and we're going to take care of the situation. Right, Lucy?
Yeah, right.
Right, Lucy?
Yeah, listen, Sheriff Fine.
It's Deputy Fife.
Yes, Deputy Fife. Look.
It's Fife?
Okay, I understand. Listen, we really do need to park in this parking spot because we have to be inside in the fellowship hall right away because we are in the Long Long trailer. Look, July 25th was picked as the perfect date for this event, but it starts at 6 o'clock.
As a matter of fact, if you let us park here and go in, we will register you at the door as our special friend.
Yes, our special friend.
Well, I suppose I could escort you ladies into the show. After all, it's up to me to either enforce these rules or just throw them out the window.
That's the spirit, Mr. Phipps.
It's
Come on.
Fife.
You are going to enjoy some good food, good fellowship, and a great film.
Bye-bye. The Long Long trailer, July 25th at Bellevue Baptist Church. Bring your friends and family. It's at 6 o'clock. You can purchase your tickets at the Events Registration Center, online, or in your life group class.
Lucy!
Just a minute. It's going to be
Lucy!
wonderful. What?
Come on, we're already late.
Ooh, we'll see you there.